What's the meaning of alpaca? Alpaca. 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 Alpaca.
Alpaca is a domesticated South American mammal that belongs to the camel family. They are known for their soft and luxurious wool, which can be used to make various clothing items. Alpacas are social animals and have been bred for thousands of years by Andean communities for their wool and for meat. They are often compared to llamas, although they are smaller and their wool is finer. In recent years, alpacas have gained popularity as pets and for their unique qualities as therapy animals.